A very good day to everyone. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the proposed EPF4M EDF framework. The microservices are being Dockerized, such as loans, accounts, and cards. So we can see here, account, cards, and loans are already being Dockerized, and also Kubernetes pods are created. So next, I'm going to demonstrate how load testing is being performed. So the request is being sent, and it will go through a load balancer, reach to account. Through an event bus, it will reach to message microservice. I'm going to demonstrate the test plan for 500 only for EDA, as well as EPF4M EDA for response time, error rate, as well as CPU usage. So this is the JMeter. I have set that the number of thread to 500 and also the write-up period to 2500 to test the EDF framework. And the HTTP request server name is set to localhost and port number is 8072. This is the path. And also the data that I will send is name, email, and also mobile number. For name and email, it will be similar across all the tests. And for the mobile number, it will random generate between these values because I have set it to unique. So here is the summary report that will show the average response time as well as the error rate. So before I run the test plan, let me just double confirm the HPA is not started because this is for EDA framework. kubectl get HPA. So it shows that no resources found in default namespace, meaning HPA is not started. Now we can start the test plan. So here it will show the average as well as the error rate. And at the left side, it is the Grafana dashboard to show the CPU usage for the frameworks. So now I click the refresh button. After waiting for a few minutes, the graph has also shown in Grafana. From here, we can see that the value is 3531, which is similar to this value, 3500.55. Two decimal points in the report because I have run the test 3 times for each request and I calculate the average. As for response time and error rate, we can look at the JMeter. So this is the average response time, 9549, which is similar to this value, 9530, that I recorded in the report. And for error rate, it shows 65.6%, which is exactly the same as the one that I recorded in the report. So next. After successfully run, now we can look at the message microservice logs in Docker. So at here, we can see that all the credentials has been successfully sent. All this, it has passed through account microservice and reached to message microservice through an event bus. So this proves that the message is sent through asynchronous communication. Next, I'm going to demonstrate the load testing for EPF4M EDF framework. Similar to the previous one, I'm going to demonstrate for 500 requests only. So before I start the test plan, I need to start HPA first. In order to run HPA, I need to type in the command kubectl apply-hpa.yaml. So it shows that horizontal port autoscaler is successfully created. Now we can try to see the current HPA status. So it shows that the CPU currently is 6%, and I have set the limit to 10%. So if let's say it is higher than 10%, then it will generate the replica. And minimum is set to 1 and maximum is set to 10. This is the HPA file in IntelliJ. So now I will start the EPF4M EDF load testing for 500 requests. And we can also monitor through this command, so it will refresh every few seconds and show the CPU usage. Now I will refresh the Grafana. So from here, we can see that the replica is already decreasing from 10 to 9 and 8 and slowly decreasing back to 1. The graph almost done. We can see that the sum of the processed CPU usage for 10 replica is 4709 millisecond, which is similar to the value that I have recorded in the report, which is 4760.82. As for average response time, it is 8797, which is similar to the value that I have recorded here, 8790. And also the error rate is 23.8%, which is also similar to the value that I recorded in the report, which is 23.93%. So that's all for the demonstration video. Thank you.